can eat that straight, do I?
Yeah. Oh, look at that.
What a sight that was. The lads walking down the main road today. Paradise. The
2023, innit?
2023 Scarp 2.0 is called.
Yeah.
It's looking smart. Prototype, that is. Me, Drufus and Nathan going out tonight. We've decided on the river camp. Hopefully going to get a fire going. It's all uphill. We'll get there now. Never seen one there before. Is it a polecat? Stoked. It's only small.
Yeah.
Right, nice. Thank you.
Thank you.
Right, we're going down a steep gully. Need to get around this headland. And the campsite is somewhere in the next valley over. As you can see, a sheer. Right, we're proper stuck in the horrible stuff now. The only way to get out of this is just go straight down this super steep slope really, which is full of ferns. Right, we're nearly there. Truth is on the brow of the hill. It's mental. So you get down the river, I'd be alright. So a technique we learned back in the SAS, me and Nathan, is called the arse commando. So it just involves sliding down on your arse, and in the end, you'll get it done. This is the spot. Where the tent's going, I don't know. Maybe here? It's quite nice for there. I think he's bagged that spot. This could be the one. So this is where we had the fire last time we came here. As you can see, back to normal. So I'm in the iron wall. Drew's got his favourite, the Acto. So we're going to have a little wood burner in the porch here, or we'll get a fire outside somewhere. Right, if we've got this valve, you see them a lot on self-inflating. It's definitely worth still using a pump to blow it up, because then you won't get all the mildew inside it. Like, this is the one to use. So you've got to put it over there and sort of hold it open and keep it pressed down. Skinny dipping next, is it? For Barry. Like so. So you've got to hold this part up, and then it does blow up then. Right, that's my setup. So we're just on the cusp now, coming up to winter. So I've got bivvy, summer sleeping bag, and it should be warm enough then. Just extra clothes in there and a flannel pillow. There's the lads. I found some branches, dead branches, on this ash tree. He's got the classic. I think this is the first beer I ever got drunk off.
Exactly, 3.5%. You must have
It's
been
only
young.
about 15, I think.
You must have been young.
First one. It's a nice one from Riddles. Last time we were up here, we burned this hawthorn, and it was just burning even though it was raining. I think that's because, see all the resins in that? Absolutely full of resin. It's a bit wet on the outside, but once that gets going now, whoosh, straight up.
Ah! A bit melted to my finger.
Tyson catching up. He's lovely and warm, but then his Patagonia jacket. Slow burn on this fire. There's plenty of fuel. I think it's just going to be simmering all night. And Nathan's got something I haven't had for years, yeah? What is it?
Awesome.
Bologna.
Bologna, lovely stuff.
You have to bleep that out now, Luke.
Read that straight to her.
Yeah. Oh, look at that.
What a sight that was. Moon's coming up. Moon is looking amazing. I was trying to get a picture of it. It's a bit too hazy, it is. Whoa, it's gone cold, you mind? Thinking heck. It's going to get warm next to that fire again. What on earth is this?
Chapeau.
Stuffed mushies.
Chapeau.
What do you think they're for you, yeah?
Huh?
Thinks they're for him.
He's been eating everything raw, yeah, so...
He's on the raw diet as well, is he?
Yeah, he's doing alright for like 86.
86, is he? I don't know if I can do this one-handed, but just the basics tonight. Pasta and sauce. The longest sausage you ever seen. There we go. Bit of mash to bulk it out. Oh, we got it all together now.
That's all I can fit on here at the minute. Peppercorn sauce. A bit of ribeye.
So, hey man.
That's going to be seconds, that isn't it?
We don't come here to muck about. Droof stindins.
Well, bam.
And you might have steak and eggs for brekkie. See how hungry he is now.
Definitely breakfast, that is.
Cabanozzi's going in there. Weird looking sausage, mind. Oh, this would be a chunky meal now. Shot the Nathan steak. Fire's going lovely, guys. Tonight is the return of the can stamping. A few people have been requesting it. It's back. It's back, baby. Nathan's showing us the flex tail gear method. I don't want to show it.
Oh, mate. Generous 3.
3.
Ah, 3.5.
Where's
Shall we going in the morning, man?
Nathan's go. He's going for the hatchers as well. Oh, that looked good.
That's very good.
It's got to be better than mine.
Yeah, it's alright.
Nathan, have you been drinking that, Nathan? It looks half full.
That's going
I know, it
for.
always does that to me.
I'm going for 7. Oh, Northern Monk. Oof. His favourite.
Not this one. That's probably the worst beer I think I've ever tasted in my life.
Check his channel for the review.
Oh, personal opinion, like, you know. Not going to knickers on a twist.
Oh.
I'm not going to influence you, right? What do you reckon, Niff? I'm not going to
5.5.
influence you. What do you reckon? What do you reckon? What do you reckon? What do you reckon?
Q&A for tonight.
Q&A.
John O'Shea has asked, how do you keep your complexion so fresh
It's not the football player, is it?
while camping?
Is it the football player?
That might be, I don't know.
John O'Shea.
Yeah, it could be.
Oh, yes.
So anyway, this is what all the wild campers do. So you have to collect the sheep poop
In
advance of
your
camping.
camp, of your wild camp.
Steep it for
12 hours.
12 hours?
Minimum 12.
Normally do like 60 minutes, but
Minimum 12.
12 hours, you reckon?
You've got to water it down. You don't want to get in, neat out.
Yeah, that's true.
You know what I mean?
You don't want the full blast of the sheep poop.
Water it
You
down.
just want watered it down stuff. And yeah, it's just like face masking.
Oh no, get in it. Bath in that.
You get it, do you?
Yeah, I get in it. I do.
I just do a face mask, don't you see? Nathan's laughing because we've given out his secret, yeah? This is what he always does, like.
I'm watching Nathan collecting all that sheep crap down tomorrow.
How much you reckon though? You know, serious now. How often, 15k, is it?
Nah, 15 to 18
Yeah, about
kilos,
15
shit.
kilos.
Of a poop. Sorry.
Right, so 15 kilos full of fill the bath. I need golden.
50 degree of water. It can't be over a certain temperature.
50 degrees, eh?
But it's good, you've got to maintain that for 12 hours.
Rounds 2 and 3.
Go on, Nate.
Here we go.
You were the winner of the last one. Oh, no,
Oh, come on.
He's got it down, man. Right, I know what it is, Rim.
Easy as seven.
He leaves a little bit like that in the bottom,
Yeah?
like that. And I,
Just get the juice.
it's
Like.
about physics and science, right? We can
Yeah.
grip hold of him, Nate. He can't keep still, like.
Oh, my hand.
Oh, my hand, sweetheart. Oh, he still didn't help. Brucey's, eh?
Oh, pardon me.
Oh.
Oh, fight.
Oh. Oh.
California, no doubt about it.
Right, round 3 and just between these two.
Oh, you can jump in on it as well, eh? You can get a booby price, that's a winner.
That is up there.
Fair play, he's half a goal though, mate, isn't he?
Go on.
It's a big old can, mate.
Yes.
Nah, you won. You won that.
Nathan!
You've won Adam's tent, mate.
Here comes the sun.
We'll just put a couple of bits up there.
He's patiently waiting for his breakfast, but I haven't got it for him. It's just lemon drink. That's all it is, honestly. Ah, look at them eyes. Don't know why I haven't used this before, like. Bit of a breeze to it, it's coming back a light. I better get some water on this. Right, not quite as good a job as last time. I think we'll probably come back here and uncover it again then. Just grab this rubbish. We're out here.
This is rubbish.
Yeah. Rufus doing his bit.
Scruffy gets.
That's the only problem now. To get home, we gotta walk basically down the riverbed. A lot of river crossings today.
What?
That's be a wet sweet job, ain't it?
I walked like that.
Can you keep in the rocks there? It's not the best part.
That will be hard out there, actually.
Yeah. I don't have to climb the hill. Either way you go, it's rough. Oh!
Oh, God. Apples up. Ah, Ravi.
Crazy route. A rare encounter. The silverback gorilla. You can tell by the telltale sign of the branches.
The foliage moving.
The foliage. And there's the first sight.
It's Gary the gorilla, like.
The greater bald-headed gorilla in the mist.
Baldy gorilla.
What a majestic sight.
That gorilla's got an osprey backpack on.
See how he moves slowly through the undergrowth.
Right, Neff?
Thanks for watching that. I think we're going to go to Greg's now and get our heads sorted out. The coffee and the sausage bap. Shout out to these legends. Thanks for watching. Catch you next week. I might be in the hot tent next week. What do you reckon? Hot tent? Good doing it.
What's that?
A bit chilly last night. I might get the hot tent out.
You feel a cold, you do all that.
Yeah. I did have a summer sleeping bag. Summer sleeping bag's out the window now.